So here we're going to use order of operations to solve these problems. So this is what we need to remember. PEMDAS. First parentheses, then exponents. Multiplication and division go together. Addition and subtraction go together. If we have a string of multiplications and divisions, something divided by something multiplied by something else, then just go from left to right. Whatever comes first, we need to do that first. Same thing with additions and subtractions. If you have like a some number minus another plus another minus another number and so on, just go from left to right. Whatever comes first, we do that first. But multiplication and division always come before addition or subtraction. So let's look at the first problem. We have 5 plus 3 times 2. We have addition and we have multiplication. But multiplication always comes before addition. So you always have to multiply first before you add. So we have 3 times 2, which is 6. So we have 5 plus 6 equals 11. Now you can never ever separate the 3 and the 2, which means you can never add before multiplying, because multiplication comes before addition. Now in the second problem, we have parentheses. Parentheses is the first thing that we need to look at. So I'm going to say this is equal to, and I have to write down all the terms, 28 plus 5 minus, and now I'm going to do the parentheses first. Whatever is inside the parentheses has to be simplified first. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. So this is equal to 28 plus 5 minus 3 cubed. Once we've turned this into a single number, we don't need parentheses anymore. This is equal to, we do the exponents first. So we have 28 plus 5 minus 3 cubed is 27. Now we have addition and subtraction. Go from left to right. Whatever comes first, do that first. So 28 plus 5 is 33, and then we subtract 27 from it. And 33 minus 27 is 6. Next, we have 8 plus 2 times 5 minus 3. So we have parentheses, we have addition, and we have multiplication. The multiplication is here. So parentheses first. Whatever is within the parentheses has to be simplified first. So we have 8 plus 2 times, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Since it's a single number, we don't need parentheses anymore. Now in the next step, we start all over again. Look at the operations. We have addition and multiplication. But according to PEMDAS, we do the multiplication first. So we go 8 plus 2 times 2, which is 4. And then finally, we add 8 plus 4 is 12. Now, problem number 4, 5 plus plus 5 plus 40 divided by radical 25 times 2. So the radical expression, suppose we have 25 square root of 25, that can also be written as 25 to the half. So this is technically treated as an exponent, so we do that first. So we have 5 plus 40 divided by square root of 25 is square root of 5 squared. So the 5 and the radical sign, the 2 and the radical sign cancel each other and we get a 5. So 5 in the denominator times 2. Remember that when it comes to division and multiplication, we just go from left to right. Whatever comes first, we need to do that first. Remember that we cannot add the 40 to 5 because we have to do the multiplication first. So we still have to go 5 plus 5 goes 8 times into 40 times 2. Simplifying, we have 5 plus 8 times 2. That's equal to 5 plus 16, and that is equal to 21. So we have parentheses, so that's where we begin. Look inside parentheses and do that first. However, write down all the terms. 80 divided by, in parentheses, 2 cubed, exponents first. So when it's PEMDAS, E is for exponent. So 2 cubed is 8, 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, plus 8 divided by 4. That's equal to 80 divided by 8 plus, and 4 goes 2 times into 8. So 80 divided by 8 plus 2 is 10, and 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. So I'm just going to redo this problem. So we have three plus 2, and there's a parentheses outside and there's a parentheses inside. So start with the innermost parentheses. So that's where we begin. This is the innermost parentheses. We have 10 minus 2 times 2. We have subtraction and multiplication, so we do the multiplication first. So it's 10 minus 2 times 2 is 4. So multiplication before subtraction. Next step, 3 plus 2 times, and we still have to deal with this innermost parentheses. So it's 15 minus 2 times 10 minus 4 is 6. This is equal to, and now since we've reduced this to a single number, we don't need the parentheses anymore. So we can just treat it as 2 times 6. I don't need the parentheses around the 6. So we have 3 plus 2, and now we are dealing with whatever is inside the parentheses. We got rid of one parentheses by completely simplifying, and don't remove the parentheses until you have a single number. Next, 15 minus 2 times 6. Now subtraction and multiplication, we do the multiplication first. So 15 minus 12. We still need to keep the parentheses because we don't have a single number inside. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 times 15 minus 12 is 3, and that is equal to, and now I got rid of the parentheses because I have a single number. So that's multiplication and addition. So we do the multiplication first. So that's 3 plus 6, and that's equal to 9. So if you have multiple parentheses, start with the innermost parentheses first. And if there's a choice between either addition or subtraction or multiplication, then always do the multiplication first and then simplify and do the addition or subtraction next.